Hi guys, welcome to ARS Buddies. Today's weekend, so we're planning to make our own breakfast. Today we're going to make a veggie omelette and bread. So let's get started. I cracked 3 eggs and I'm going to add salt and pepper. Now we're going to add 2-3 spoons of these veggies. I have carrot and broccoli. Now we're going to, we're going to mix it.
Eat it.
Hey, we're not done yet. The pan is hot already and I'm going to add butter. My mom cut this bread in a way that we can pour these in. So, and I'm going to add one more piece for my sister. We need to add our veggie mix we made.
Waiting.
I'm gonna flip this. Mom flipped one, but I'm gonna try to flip the next one. I'm gonna add some cheese. If you don't like cheese, you can just skip this one. I'm going to open the lid. My brother is going to make for him, so we're going to wait until he's done cooking. Looks like it's ready. Time to eat. We're all ready to eat.
Thanks for watching.
If you want more kids recipes, tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.